And inside this little fuzzy pouch, a huge box from Youth to the People. And inside the box, okay, I was really excited for this. Oh my gosh.
Here we are right now.
It's pretty fancy for a hairbrush.
No longer 17.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would go through some of the PR that I've been receiving over the last few weeks. I have a lot here and I don't know if I can go through all of this without this video being 40 minutes long. So I'll try to quickly go through some of the more exciting packages that I got. And I will also be sharing with you tips on how I receive PR packages as a very small content creator myself. So let's just get started. So I already opened up some of the boxes to save room in my house. First package I got is from Peach and Lily, which is a Korean skincare brand. Their Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. And to retexturize, soften, and give your skin a bit of a glow. That's what the jar looks like. It's a lot more watery than I expected. It doesn't have a strong smell. I actually don't like when skincare products have a strong smell anyways, but that's what it looks like. Very interesting texture. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. This is their Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. So matcha and green tea is really good for your skin because of its natural antioxidant properties. And this one is meant to moisturize and protect. Pure Peach Retinoic Eye Cream. I like that this one's in a pump. Ooh, Glass Skin Veil Mist. I love face mists, especially during the day while I'm working, just to spritz when I feel like my skin is dry. Like that, it leaves a glow. Packaging is really nice. They're Lazy Day all-in-one moisture pads, which I've spoken about this in my skincare routine video, but I go through these like really quickly because they're just so easy to use. Next is a package from Bliss Skincare Niacinamide Pore Vanish Micro Purifying Toner. I love niacinamide to smooth texture on the skin. Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide Eye Cream. Bright Idea Vitamin C Serum. Hyaluronic Acid. Niacinamide serum, and their face masks, which I've always wanted to try this one. This is the Mighty Marshmallow. Texture of this is really interesting and unique because I've seen it on their social media, but it's like whipped. And their Vitamin C Moisturizer. So In Beauty Project sent me a few of their things. I worked with them a lot this past year on branded content over on my Instagram and TikTok. They're a clean and sustainable skincare brand that's now available to shop at Sephora. And one of my favorite products that they stocked me up on is their face glaze. I love this one for when you just want a glowy finish to the skin. Sometimes I'll just wear this alone without any makeup, and I feel like it blurs the skin but also leaves a really glowy finish. And even under makeup it works really well, and I love it as a primer. And inside this little fuzzy pouch, their Green Machine Serum and the really popular Serum Moisturizer. Next, they sent their toner. This is their Down to Tone Life-Changing Toner for the look of smooth, clear, and even-toned skin. They also sent their Overnight Pimple Paste. A huge box from Youth to the People, but I guarantee you there's only one product in here because their PR boxes are just really crazy. Ooh, so this is their new serum that they came out with, I believe. It's the Cactus Oasis Serum. This looks like it's a plumping and firming serum that's made with hyaluronic acid, which is meant to deeply hydrate your skin. And they also have in here, I don't know what this is. They gave me incense sticks with it. And for the actual product, because I love anything hydrating, so I'm really excited to try this. It's in a glass pump bottle. Ooh, it's really liquidy and very thin, which I prefer for my serums because it allows for better absorption. It does not have a scent at all, and that just sunk in really quickly. Next from Say Beauty, finally a makeup brand. That's what the box looks like. Looks like these are some cotton balls, and inside the box, I actually never tried Say Beauty before, but I've heard a lot about it and I've seen them all over Instagram, so I'm really excited to try these. First is their Slip Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 35 sunscreen. I got in the shade 2. Assuming this is like a tinted moisturizer with SPF. I love their packaging, so cute. That's what it looks like. Spreads out really nicely. It smells just like, there's no added perfume, I think. And it doesn't feel sticky on my hands at all. And to go with that, they sent me their Air Set Radiant Loose Setting Powder, which I believe is new. Love the packaging. I got the shade Translucent so I can put it all over my face. They also sent me their fluffy brush. Very soft. Okay, I was really excited for this. I love anything that's gonna give my skin some glow, and I saw this illuminating fluid in the shade Star Glow. I can't get over the packaging, so cute. But it kind of reminds me of the In Beauty Project face glaze, except this one is a bit lighter and a little bit more watery. So it's really good to layer as well. Yeah, you can also mix this with foundation, which is really nice. And last but not least, they sent me their Dew Blush. I've been into cream blushes lately, so I'm really excited for this. I love how wide the applicator is. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It blends so well. Next, I got a little package from Jason Wu Beauty. I already opened this because the box was already ruined. This is the 9 Shadow Palette in shade Prickly Pear. I feel like this is a nice everyday palette. This is their Ready Set Matte Setting Powder and the Celestial Lust Liquid Eyeshadow, which I'm dying to swatch because I love anything shimmery. Ooh. Next from Zitsticka, they sent me some of their famous pimple patches. They sent me their Goo Getter, which is supposed to help with the sort of late stage surface level whitehead zits that are ready to pop. You just put this on and the next morning you just peel off the sticker and you see all the gunk coming out with it. This is their original Killa Micro Dart Pimple Patch, and this is their Hyper Fade for post-acne marks from Ustawi. Ustawi means well-being. This is a little startup skincare brand, and they sent me their protective mist, which is, I guess this is another face mist, which I can never have enough of. I think I know what this is. It's sort of random, but this is from a brand called Nori. This comes in a nice vegan pink leather case, and it just holds a hairbrush. It's pretty fancy for a hairbrush. And last but not least, I got this little package from Ofra Cosmetics, some of their things. First is their Winter Wonder Glam Holiday Set that comes with a little palette, a blush, and a lip gloss, I think. Their highlighters are so good, so I'm excited to try their eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Oh my gosh. I don't know if these are highlighters or eyeshadows. I guess you could use them for both. I'm barely touching the pan and it's giving so much pigment. Next, they sent their midi palette. I think this is a face palette. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. Next, their signature palette in the shade Beachside. I'm excited. I feel like there's gonna be some pops of colors in here. Oh, yes! I don't really wear colored eyeshadow, but I think I'm starting to. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, so I don't really wear these type of colors, but I'm feeling inspired. He sent me another eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade Sweet Dreams. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love this palette. Their highlighters are really, really bright. This is in the shade Moon Dance. Oh, wow. Oh my. Maybe I'll try it because I didn't wear a highlighter today. Oh my. I'm putting so little and wow. Put some on my nose. Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. Rain, wind, or shine, makeup stays put all the time, even under the toughest weather conditions. Blah, 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 up to 12 hours. Whoa. The mist is really fine, which I like. No strong scent. Alright, so I think I'm gonna stop this unboxing here. I do have a little bit more stuff to go through, but I don't want this video to be super long. So I'll just jump right into my tips and tricks on how to get PR boxes without being a mega huge influencer. Have a beauty / skincare or even a lifestyle account. So if you can't already tell, a lot of the things that I received are either skincare or makeup related, and that's because I have a separate account where I focus on just those particular products because that is what I'm interested in. I started this account back when COVID just hit because I realized I have so much skincare and makeup that I don't use because nobody's going out anymore, and I wanted to put them to use before they expired. So I decided to make swatch videos or product laydown shots, application videos, just so I have an excuse to use my skincare and makeup products that I have sitting in my product closet. So that account I started for fun because my personal Instagram account, I have a lot of friends who might not be interested in skincare and makeup, so I didn't want to bombard their feed with irrelevant content for them. Tip number 2 is to take a look at your favorite skincare or makeup brands' Instagram grid or TikTok grids to get a better sense of what kind of content they post. Especially now with COVID, a lot of brands are leaning towards UGC, which is user-generated content, to curate their Instagram or TikTok feed. So what I did was I specifically looked for what kind of content they reposted out of their tagged pictures, and based on that I got a better understanding of what kind of images / videos they would want to see. Tip number 3 is just DM the brands that you want to work with. For example, the reason why I can work with a brand like In Beauty Project now is because I DM'd them when they were first starting out and said something along the lines of, hey, I'm a big fan of your brand. Let me know if you want to partner together on Instagram repost images / videos or TikTok content in exchange for free product. A lot of brands are willing to send you free product in exchange for posts because during this pandemic, they're struggling to meet in person and they can't have a whole production shoot of models, which is why they're turning to UGC and other means to work with content creators to help them make these types of content. After you get the ball rolling and get a few different brands to send you some product, or you create content with the products that you already have in your closet and you're curating your own feed, brands will start to notice, especially when you tag them, and they're going to repurpose and repost your content. A lot of skincare and makeup brands are always looking at their competitors and what they're doing all the time, and if they see UGC that they like, they'll tap on the image, go to your handle and message you if they want to potentially work together. So as long as you score reposts from other brands' Instagram pages or TikToks, you get more chances of eyes seeing your page and more opportunity to work with your favorite brands and get PR packages. I had my skincare / makeup Instagram page for a little bit over a year now. And after a few months of doing it, I was able to land paid partnerships this time instead of just having the brand send me free product in exchange for in-feed posts. So I do get some sort of return depending on what the sponsorship is. And that's been really fun because I genuinely like making content anyway, so if I can get paid for it, then even better. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing a bunch of PR that I received over the last few weeks. I know I always enjoy watching these types of videos, so I hope you had fun as well. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!